Hey guys, welcome on my channel. I am Lawyer. In the last video हमने LLM CLAT 2019 क्वेश्चन पेपर के 50 क्वेश्चंस पार्ट ए में कवर किए थे. So now this video gonna be about further questions LLM CLAT 2019 part B. Let's start. So question number 51 is the maxim एक show personalis monitor cum persona means option A personal action ties with the parties to the cause of action, option B an action is not given to him who has received nor damages, option C no one is responsible for inevitable accidents, option D an act done by me against my will is not my act. So right answer is option A. Question number 52 match the incorrect entries. This side is principal and this side is case law. आपको बताना है कौन सा प्रिंसिपल किस केस लॉ से मिसमैच्ड है. सो ऑप्शन ए इंजूरिया साइन डेमनम एच बी वर्सेज वाइट, ऑप्शन बी डेमनम साइन इंजूरिया ग्लॉसेस्टर केस, ऑप्शन सी रेमोटनेस ऑफ डैमेज राइलिन वर्सेज फ्लेचर. दिस इज रॉन्ग. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. Question number 53. In Ryland versus Fletcher, Justice Blackburn used the term option A strict liability, option B absolute liability, option C strict and absolute liability, option D none of the above. So right answer is option A strict liability. Question number 54. Contributory negligence is a tort, crime, defense, right? So right answer is option C defense. Question number 55. Voluntary non-vet injuria is a general defense, particular defense, not a defense, defense in tort law. राइट आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी नॉट अ डिफेंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 56. टेस्ट ऑफ डायरेक्टनेस फॉर डिटरमाइनिंग रिपोर्टनेस ऑफ डैमेज वॉज लेड डाउन इन ऑप्शन ए विगन माउंट 1, ऑप्शन बी विगन माउंट 2, ऑप्शन सी रीपॉलिमिस, ऑप्शन डी राइलिन वर्सेस फ्लेचर. सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी रीपॉलिमिस. Question number 57. Following is not an essential of tort of negligence. Option A duty of care on the part of plaintiff, option B duty of care on the part of defendant, option C breach of duty, option D damage to plaintiff. So right answer is here option A. Question number 58. Defamation is both a tort and crime, option B tort only, option C crime only, option D neither a tort nor a crime. So right answer is option A both a tort and crime. Question number 59. Defaming someone by words or by gestures is called in torts is libel, slander, nuisance, none. So right answer is option B slander. Question number 60. What defense could be used when an injury is caused to a person due to unforeseen or unexpected events in spite of reasonable care taken by him? Option A inevitable accident, option B act of third party, option C act of God, option D none. So right answer is option A. Question number 61. Under section 57 of Indian Penal Code, in calculating fractions of terms of punishment, imprisonment for life shall be reckoned as equivalent to imprisonment for 20 years, 12 years, 30 years, imprisonment till death. So right answer is here option A 20 years. Question number 62. A soldier fires on a mob by the order of his superior officer in conformity with the commands of the law. Choose the correct statement. Option A has committed the offence of murder, option B A has committed the offence of culpable homicide, option C A has committed no offence, option D A has committed the offence of riot. So right answer is option C. Question number 63. The principle that nothing is an offence which is done by a child under 7 years of age is provided under option A section 81 of IPC, option B section 82 of IPC, option C section 83 of IPC, option D section 84 of IPC. So right answer is option B section 82 of IPC. Question number 64. Every person has a right to defend dash against any offence. Option A his own body only, option B his own body and the body of his relatives only. Option C, his own body and the body of any other person. Option D, he has no right to defend against any offense affecting the human body. So right answer is option C. Question number 65. X, under the influence of madness, attempts to kill Y. Option A, X has committed the offense of murder. Option B, Y has no right of private defense as X is insane. Option C, Y has right of private defense which he would have if X was sane. Option D, all statements are correct. So right answer is option C. Question number 66. The right of private defense of property against theft continues still. Option A, the offender has affected his retreat with the property. Option B, the assistance of the public authorities is obtained. Option C, the property has been recovered. Option D, all of the above. So right answer is here option D. Next question, question number 67. A person abets the doing of a thing by option A, instigating any person. Option B, engages in any conspiracy. Option C, intentionally aiding. Option D, all of the above. So right answer is D, all of the above. Question number 68. When two or more persons agree to do an illegal act, such an act is known as option A, abetment, public. Option B, public tranquility. Option C, criminal conspiracy. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is C, criminal conspiracy. Question number 69. To commit an affray, the minimum number of persons required is 2, 3, 5, 7. So right answer is 2, option A. Question number 70. Outraging the modesty of a woman is punishable under Section 354 of IPC, Section 363 of IPC, Section 509 of IPC, Section 511 of IPC. So right answer is option A. Opinio juris means option A, opinion of the jurists. Option B, opinion of law. Option C, state practice. Option D, law of opinion. तो राइट आंसर आपको हो जाएगा इसमें ऑप्शन ए, ओपिनियन ऑफ द जूरिस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 72. जस्ट कॉजेंस मीन्स ऑप्शन ए, नॉर्म्स. ऑप्शन बी, negotiable norms. Option D, non-derogable norms. Option D, legal norms. Right answer is here C, non-derogable norms. Question number 73. Jus gentium is a body of option A, international statutes. Option B, decision of ICJ. Option C, international conventions. Option D, international customs. So right answer is option D. Question number 74. World Intellectual Property Organization is a specialized agency of option A, UN. Option B, ICJ. Option C, WTO. Option D, ILO. So right answer is here option A, UN. Question number 75. The Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court was adopted in the year 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001. So right answer is here option A, 1998. Question number 67. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted on option A, December 8, 1948. Option B, December 9, 1948. Option C, December 10, 1948. Option D, December 11, 1949. So right answer is C, option C, December 10, 1948. Question number 77. The United Nations Commission of Human Rights meets every year at option A, The Hague. Option B, Geneva. Option C, France. Option D, Spain. So right answer is option B, Geneva. Question number 78. CEDAW was adopted by the Union General Assembly in the year 1979, 1989, 1999 or 2009? Right answer is option A, 1979. Question number 79. Human Rights Treaty Bodies. Option A, Draft Human Rights Treaties. Option B, Negotiable Human Rights Treaties. Option C, Monitor Human Rights Treaties. Option D, Amend Human Rights Treaties. राइट आंसर आपका हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. The following committee cannot hear individual complaints of human rights violations. Option A, committee that monitors ICCPR. Option B, committee that monitors human rights bodies. Option C, committee on the elimination of racial discrimination. Option D, committee on torture. So right answer is here option B. Question number 81. Section D of the Copyright Act grants an author special rights which exist independently of the author's copyright and subsists even after the assignment, whole or partial, of the said copyright. 77, 66, 57, 87. So right answer is option C, 57. Question number 82. The Tesh Amendment to the Patent Act stated that computer programs per se is not an invention, raising a debate whether a computer program CP with any additional features such as technical features would be patentable. Option A, 2000. Option B, 1999. Option C, 2001. Option D, 2002. So right answer is option D, 2002. Question number 83. If any dispute arises regarding publication of work, Dash will be the final authority to decide the same. Option A, Copyright Board. Option B, Patent Board. Option C, appropriate government. Option D, none of the above. So right answer आपको हो जाएगा option A, Copyright Board. Question number 84. What are the types of inventions which are no patentable in India? Option A, invention which is frivolous or which claims anything obviously contrary to well-established natural laws. Option B, an invention the primary or intended use or commercial exploitation of which could be contrary to public order or morality, or which causes serious prejudice to human, animal or plant life or health, or to the environment. Option C, the mere discovery of scientific principle or the formulation of an abstract theory or discovery of any living thing or non-living substance occurring in nature. Option D, all of the above. So right answer आपको हो जाएगा इसमें option D, all of the above. Question number 85. What is the term of a patent in the Indian system? Option A, 20 years. Option B, 40 years. Option C, 30 years. Option D, 12 years. Right answer is option A, 20 years. Question number 86. What are the classes of works for which copyright protection is available in India? Option A, original, literary, dramatic, musical and artistic works. Option B, cinematograph films. Option C, sound recordings. Option D, all of the above. So right answer is question number 87. In the case of a work made or first published by or under the direction or control of any public undertaking, they shall, in the absence of any agreement to the contrary, be the first owner of the copyright therein. Option A, government. Option B, such public undertaking. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. So right answer is here option B, such public undertaking. Question number 88. If the period of assignment copyright is not stated, it shall be deemed to be dash years from the date of assignment. 4, 5, 6, 7. Right answer is B. Question number 89. Which of the following statement is right? Option A, an invention must not possess utility for the grant of patent. No valid patent can be granted for an invention devoid of utility. Option B, an invention must possess utility for the grant of patent. No valid patent can be granted for an invention devoid of utility. Option C, an invention must possess its utility for the grant of patent. Valid patent can be granted for an invention devoid of utility. Option D, an invention must not necessarily possess utility for the grant of patent. Valid patent can be granted for an invention devoid of utility. So right answer is here option D. An invention must not necessarily possess utility. For the grant of patent, valid patent can be granted for an invention devoid of utility. Question number 90. How many GI tags have been issued in India so far? About 27, 321, 344, 406. So right answer is option C, about 344. Question number 91. The courts are the capital of law, empire, and judges are its princes wrote. Option A, H.L.A. Hart. Option B, Ronald Dworkin. Option C, Robert Nozick. Option D, John Rawls. Right answer is option B, Ronald Dworkin. Question number 92. For H.L.A. Hart, the open texture of law means that the regulation of areas of conduct must be left to be developed by option A, law teachers. Option B, courts. Option C, legislature. Option D, people at large. So right answer is option B. Question number 93. According to Immanuel Kant, rational formal knowledge is option A, material knowledge. Option B, concerned with some object. Option C, concerned with the form of understanding and reason themselves. Option D, a misnomer. Right answer is here option C. Question number 94. Austinian notion of positive morality is option A priori. Option B, socially constructed. Option C, religiously constructed. Option D, law strictly secured. Right answer is option B. Question number 95. For Rousseau Pound, jural postulates are to be discovered. Option A, in the law of itself. Option B, outside the law. Option C, in the juristic thought. Option D, in the all of the above. Right answer is option A. Question number 96. According to John Austin, the relationship between the sovereign and political independent society is option A, symmetrical. Option B, asymmetrical. Option C, elliptical. Option D, relative. Right answer is option C, elliptical. Question number 97. John Rawls' concept of justice is a option A, legal concept. Option B, political concept. Option C, sociological concept. Option D, philosophical concept. Right answer is option B, political concept. Question number 98. According to realists. Question number 98. According to realists, option A, custom is real law. Option B, precedent is real law. Option C, statute is real law. Option D, rule is real law. So right answer is here option आपका इसमें हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी, precedent is real law. Right answer. Question number 99. What are states without justice but robber bands enlarged? Asked. Option A, St. Aquinas. Option B, St. Augustine. Option C, St. Joseph. Option D, St. Patrick. Right answer is option B, St. Augustine. Question number 100. This is last question. The following thinker is normally associated with the secularization of natural law. Option A, Hugo Grotius. Option B, Antonio Gramsci. Option C, Martin Heidegger. Option D, Auguste Comte. Right answer is option A, Hugo Grotius. So 100 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ LLM CLAT 2019 हम पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 में सोल्व कर चुके हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल.